All right, so we've got some crispy pork rinds seasoned up with our exciting barbecue spice and mustard oil. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about dips now. So we got our rinds, now we need to dip them into something. And some of the easiest things out there, I would say go-tos are some salsas. So I've got a nice red salsa here. This is a tomatillo and green chili and cilantro salsa verde. You know, everybody loves guacamole and avocado. That's always a good one. But the easiest thing out there is sour cream, a little bit of salt, a couple squeezes of lemon juice. And the lemon really gives this bright, sort of just really bright, citrusy sort of thing. And just slowly mix it, right? Super simple. The more I beat this, the more it's gonna get lighter and a little bit more velvety. We're gonna go into this big platter here. But imagine if this was a basket of rinds and we were just gonna put our lemon sour cream into a little 3-ounce ramekin on the side. You'd have a perfect appetizer-sized dish that you could get right out to your guests, and simple and easy.